Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another options and play video update. You know, it's funny. I will do a video on the Qs of the SPY about every 2 weeks, and it seems like every 2 weeks things have pretty much dramatically changed, or at least recently. That's what it's been like. So now, obviously, it's been a pretty rough week for tech, and really interesting development today because the Qs hit the 100-day. All right, so the 100-day was hit off the open. It looked like we were about to break down, but now the Qs are back above, and depending on the close, they may end back above the 100-day. Right. All right. So now the 100-day. This is the blue line. The reason why this is significant is because the 100-day held here, right? So you can see this. I mean, when I point out, it held here, it held here, it held here, right? Let's keep going back. Held here, and it held here, right? Over and over and over and over again, the Qs have hit the 100-day and bounced. Sometimes it's traded a little bit below it, but it's really never spent more than like a day or two underneath that 100-day. And every single time it's bounced, it's been a major reversal back to the upside, right? So there's a lot of negative action in the market, right? There's a lot of stocks that are broken. There's a lot of stocks that have gotten hit very hard. However, the indices have not, right? And just using the trend as an indicator, we're still technically in the uptrend, right? So you need to respect the trend until the trend breaks. If the Qs actually break the 100-day, my expectation is that there's going to be a move down to the 200-day. Okay, so that's about 18 to 19 points below, depending on where the indices, where these moving averages line up at the time. So if there is a break, that that is going to be my target, right? Because not only is it the 200-day, but it also kind of lines up near like the October breakdown low. All right, so you can see we're holding. We hit it in December, bounced. We hit it again, we're bouncing. So it's a very big development. I mean, I feel like it's day to day, maybe hour to hour type deal, right? Where if we hold and bounce, it could be a pretty sizable bounce, and if we break, it's probably going to be a pretty sizable move to the downside. So it's worth keeping an eye on in terms of options. You know, the way we're moving, I mean, like this could be a 10 to 15 type move on like the day it breaks, or if we do bounce, I mean, it could be like a 10 to 15 point move over like 2 days. Because we're in some huge wide ranging bars with, I mean, yesterday alone was like a 12-point drop. So I mean, this is the type of tape where you can get some really big moves really quickly with some short-term options, but you just need to manage your risk because, option pricing's gone up, its volatility's gone up, and with short-term options, you get like a sharp move against those contracts. It could be pretty painful. So, there's a lot of opportunity, but you also need to work quick because the moves are happening quick. All right. So we'll see. Like I said, day to day. It's a big level, make or break. Plus, we're getting into like a really busy stretch of news, so there's gonna be a lot going on. So, if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options or trading these types of patterns, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.